Today I'm going to prepare this pizza dough, and this is very simple to do. It is easy, only you have to be patient with the leavening of the dough. And I always use this measurement, always. Whenever my son asks me to prepare pizza, I always use this measurement. And so the first thing to do is to put this fresh yeast in the mixing bowl. It's very sticky. I have to put water later. So this is to measure the water. I put already water, 150 ml, and I'll add more, 150 ml too. And after that, if you are in a hurry to make the dough rise fast, you may warm this mixture of water and milk. But if you are not in a hurry, it's okay. This is a long rising, okay? It will take about 5 hours to make the dough rise. So I'll directly pour this mixture here, and then I'll add the honey. I will not use granulated white sugar here. Instead, I'll use honey. If this is more than 1 teaspoon, and then you see this, the yeast is still here. It's sticky. It is stuck here, so I'll dissolve it here. By the way, the fresh yeast, this is 8 grams only. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. And then, oops, needed is 250 all-purpose flour, this, and then I'll add semola flour. This is a strong flour, so I'll add another 250 grams of semola flour. Then mix, mix, mix before we add to the mixture, to the liquid mixture, and then we pour the first portion. This. And we can add now 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix, mix, mix. And then pour all the dry ingredients. And the last thing to add is about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then mix again. So I leave it here for about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'll knead it. After 10 minutes it's time to knead the dough. I'll use the semola flour to dust the working table. Okay, so if you don't like to stick the dough on your hand, you do this first. So after that you can start kneading the dough with your hands. All right, so the dough is now ready to take a long rest. Not rest, because it has to work. The yeast has to work. Mixing bowl. Add a little oil. Okay. And then we put the dough here. Not in a hurry, so I can let it rest for about 4 hours or more. So this is now the dough after 5 hours. Oregano, olive oil, a little salt. And then mix. We'll grease it with olive oil. I'll flatten the dough. So with oil, it's easy to flatten it and widen it. See? It's easy, right? Now, it's time to spread the tomato sauce.
Erano due squadre allenate in passato da Giuseppe Mourinho, questa sera invece si sfidano Barça Germania e Manchester.
27 anni. Carpenterie metalliche. Progettiamo, produciamo e installiamo strutture in acciaio per l'edilizia, l'industria ed il settore zootecnico con i migliori standard di qualità.
This is the pizza that my son likes, with tomato sauce, mozzarella, sausages, and green olives. That's all, my dear friends. Try this pizza recipe too. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching.